Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to turn on notifications for messages from your Meet team in Google Meet. Let's say you have a team and you're going to have a meeting with that team. You will need to turn on notifications for messages from your team. So what you do is you open up the app, then you click on the three lines at the top left corner over here, which opens up three options. What you do is you click on settings. Once you click on your settings, the next thing you click on calling settings. Now under calling settings here, we have four options. We have calling, we're going to click on notifications. This opens up our app notifications, and at the bottom here, we're going to click on notification categories. Let's go to the messages category. Now here, what we have is all notifications, new messages, and message reaction. So that's not what we're looking for. We go to the other category. Now then we have new features, add your Google account, and this is exactly what we're looking for, messages from the Meet team. So it is turned on for me, but in case yours looks like this, you turn it on. And once you turn this on, you will be notified of messages from the Meet team.